Truly a monster freight train hauled by 2 into twin WDG4 belonging to Bandamunda Southeastern Railway Shed. Be ready to count the number of wagons. The interesting thing is the first one set of WDG4 and then the next set. That's the twin WDG4. These are the container stacks. 2 containers in one platform. Are you counting? I did it in slow motion and have the count. That is 96 containers in total. Now we end up the container stack and then we start with the tankers belonging to the Vedanta Aluminium. Don't know what is inside. Maybe bauxite ore or are you counting the tankers at least? More easier. Not yet over yet. And the surprise now comes now. 1, 2. That's 50 tankers. Now the second train. Again twin WDG4, WDG4 and WDG4D. The next set of tankers. Seems never ending. Hope you are counting the numbers. I am. Another 50 tankers. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon again.